welcome to the series of CAT questions by Vivek Sir. Let A be the largest positive integer that divides the numbers of the form 3 power k plus 4 power k plus 5 power k. Let B be the largest positive integer that divides all the numbers of the form 4 power k plus 3 into 4 power k plus 4 power k plus 2. When k is any positive integer, then A plus B equals CAT 22 slot 1. Isn't it a scary questions? Let's try if it is really scary. What is given? There is a number which is of this format 3 power k plus 4 power k plus 5 power k. Let's try to find out what values this number can take. When I take k equals to 1, it is given that k is any positive integer. I will try putting different values of k. When k is equals to 1, I would get 3 power 1 plus 4 power 1 plus 5 power 1. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12. When k is 2, 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square, which is 9 plus 16 plus 25, which is 50. When k equals to 3, this number would turn out to be 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube. 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. 27 plus 64, 91, 91 and 125, 216. Let's try to find out what is A. A be the largest positive integer that divides all the number of this format. Can I say I should be able to divide all these numbers by A? If I am able to divide, then I would be able to get remainder equals to 0. So basically, A is a common divisor of all these numbers, and we have been asked the largest possible value, which is nothing but largest divisor of all these numbers, largest common divisor. Isn't it GCD or HCF? So what do we need to find out? The HCF of all these numbers, 12, 50, 216, dot dot dot. Let's check it out for first three numbers. What is 12? 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3. 50 is 2 into 5 square. 216 is 6 cube. That is 2 into 3 is 6 and it's cube. When we want to find out HCF, what do? We take least common power. Least common power of 2 is 1. Least common power of 2 is 1. Least common power of 3, there is no 3 in this number. So least common power will be 0. Least common power of 5. Least common power of 5 is not there in this number. So it would be 0. So I can say that HCF of these three numbers would be 2. Again, is it necessary if I extend this series of k, I will get 2 as an HCF? As in, am I sure that I will be able to divide all the numbers by 2? Let's check it out. 3 power k, 3 is an odd number. Any power of odd number should be odd. 5 is an odd number. Any positive power of 5 would be odd. Summation of odd, 2 odd numbers must be even. 4 power k, even number. Any power of even number must be even. So even plus even must always be even. So if I get numerator as even, then I am surely able to divide it by 2. So I get the value of k as 2. Now let's do the same thing for second part as well. What is my second number? 4 power k plus 3 into 4 power k plus 4 power k plus 2. I can break it down power of k, 4 as k and 2 separately. If I take 4 power k as common, what I am left with? 1 plus 3 plus 4 square, that is 16. 16 and 4, 20. So this number would be 4 power k into 20. Let's do the same thing. Let's put k equals to 1. So this number would turn out to be 4 power 1 into 20. If I take k equals to 2, this number would be 4 square into 20. If I take k equals to 3, the number would be 4 cube into 20. So I am done with the format of the number. Let's check what is b. Largest positive integer which divides all the numbers of this format. So if I want b as a number which should be able to divide this, I can say that remainder must be 0. Let's check it out. That I want a value of b, I want the largest positive value of b which divides all the numbers, I mean all these numbers, isn't it? I want to calculate HCF, highest common factor or greatest common divisor of all these numbers, and I want to find out its largest value. So let's find out the HCF of all these numbers. How do I calculate HCF? Can I say all these numbers would certainly have 20 as common factor? Yes. What is the minimum power of 4? That is 1. So I can directly say HCF of all these numbers would be 4 power 1 into 20. B is the value of HCF which turn out to be 20. Which turn out to be 20 into 4, 80. What I was asked with value of A plus B, I can directly tell A plus B should be 2 plus 80, which is 82. Typing type of question. Seemingly difficult questions, but here we just need to go a step ahead, read it in detail, try to find out some values of k. Automatically you will get the way how to solve it. Thank you.